Guangzhou Kaiyuan Water Treatment Equipment Company Limited is located in Guangzhou, a major export and trade city in China. It is a manufacturer with 20 years of experience in water treatment system production and 15 years in export experience. Our main products include reverse osmosis equipment, brackish water equipment, seawater desalination equipment, ultra-pure water equipment, and ultrafiltration equipment. A professional team of engineers provides one-stop, all-around services covering engineering design, equipment manufacturing, installation, and commissioning. Our company has passed the ISO 9001 certification, and products have obtained the European CE certification. Kaiyuan strictly controls from material selection to production quality, ensuring that every piece of equipment undergoes factory inspection and standard export packaging. Due to the high-quality equipment and high-cost performance of Kaiyuan, we have exported to over 150 countries and served more than 5,000 enterprises. Kaiyuan, with over 20 years of research and development ability, R&D ability, and production capacity, Kaiyuan can customize water treatment equipment ranging from 0.5 to 500 tons per hour, and design different water quality solutions based on customer requirements. As a direct factory seller, all equipment comes with a quality warranty period and lifetime consulting services. Quality is guaranteed.